I can't not believe, because all the troublemakers, they are at Smiled Away Reform School. What should do right now? Oh wait, I have an idea. The troublemakers escape at Smiled Away Reform School.
Oh God, sure we said because we got sending us in detention.
Hey! You three shut the fuck up. No talking at detention. Beside, you're in absolutely at Smile Away Reform School. Remember. Wait, what? You're William from YouTube.
That's right, I'm here because I'm gonna free all the rest of the troublemaker. Oh, I'm gonna shoot you.
Uh-oh, not again.
William, did you shoot the cast member and you kill him?
Yes, I did. Now come on, let's get out of here before I can bring my dynamites.
Right behind you, William. Come on, let's get out of here.
TTP, Emmanuel Thomas, and Zachary. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Hey, wait for us. Me, Barney, Bear, the Wiggles, Bob the Builder, and the Yo Gabba Gabba. They are waiting for you. Come on, you guys. Let's get the fuck out of here. The characters of Nick Jr., Playhouse Disney, and Good Entertainment are gonna escape and Smile Away Reform School.
Since we free, let's have some music about Wallpaper by Kevin MacLeod.
Did I just hear you just escape an explosion at Smile Away Reform School?
Uh-oh. Wait, let us explain.
Oh no you don't. Plex the fucking robot. I can't not believe you just escape at Smile Away Reform School. The troublemakers, except for William, Dr. Eggman, Nathan, Viley, Cinepolis UTTP, Zachary, Jay Kaiser, Emmanuel Thomas, the Yo Gabba Gabba, the Wiggles, Barney, Bear, Oswald, Bob the Builder, Strawberry Shortcake, the Bubble Guppies, Peppa, George, Wubsy, Daisy, Dora and Little Bill. I gonna call the police about this.
Carlos the Viator 2006. We did it. The rest of the troublemaker, it's now at jail. Even Zachary is not my friend anymore. But now it's Super Javier Logan and you. We are best friends now.
My boyfriend, he's right. Carlos, in August 10th, it's your birthday. And even Fox and Nick, he's gonna bring your surprise for you.
Wow, that sound very good. Now come on my friends. Let's go home and we will make others videos right now.
That sound good idea, Carlos. Let's go.